Hello guys, this is part 3, the final 5 minutes of the episode. So I'm on minute 53, 25 seconds and Clara is talking to the doctor, so yeah. Oh, and don't forget to see the link below to a video that I made with my boyfriend about a painting of Van Gogh that I made on the wall with post-it. So yeah, let's start the episode right now.
We're staying. We die, Clara.
What?
You're always such a down.
Oh, you say you died. Where are you, doctor? Oh god. Where are you, doctor?
You really should be waking up too, Clara.
Just a little longer.
Why?
Don't, please don't.
Every Christmas is last Christmas.
But don't linger too much, please. Please, Clara.
Clara. I might have known that you would be the one to sleep in. It's okay. I tracked the psychic signal here. I'm pretty sure that I know how to do this now. Well, the advantages of actually being awake. So you just hold still. Zap the neural centers. Okay. There you go. The dream crabs must have got to me first and found you in my memory. The others were collateral damage. Well, good to see you properly.
Oh god,
How
no
long's it
way.
been?
Oh my god,
Clara.
no. No.
Well, you know, about 62 years. Doctor, I have missed you very much, you stupid old man.
I missed you, too. These are Christmas hats. I've seen people use them. You put them on, and absolutely anything seems funny.
Oh, probably won't work on you.
Probably not. You want to try?
Go on then. Can you really see no difference in me?
Clara Oswald, you'll never look any different to me. So how was it then?
How was what?
She's not coming back.
62 years that I missed.
Oh, that was my life, you mean?
Is it a Mr. Clara?
No. But there were plenty of proposals.
They all turned you down, though.
I turned them down. I travelled. I taught in every country in Europe. I learned to fly a plane.
Regrets?
Oh, hundreds. I just wish there were time for a few more.
Yeah, they're always the best part. Christmas cracker, we should do one. No one ever matched up to Danny, eh?
That was one of them, but that would never have worked out.
Why not?
He was impossible.
She's not coming back. Oh, it's the same thing she did with the dog.
Every Christmas is last Christmas.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I was stupid. I should have come back earlier. I wish that I had. Do you, Doctor? How much do you wish that? That's it. Wakey, 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 wakey.
Am I young?
No idea. Is that any good?
Oh, that's good.
The TARDIS is outside.
So?
So all of time and all of space is sitting out there in a big blue box. Please. Don't even argue.
She's coming back.
Merry Christmas, Doctor.
Merry Christmas, Clara Oswald.
Well, look at you all happy. That's rare.
You know what's rarer? Second chances. I never get a second chance, so what happened this time? Don't even know who to thank.
A tangerine. Yes!
Press the red button now for Doctor Who Extra. Christmas night on BBC One. Such fun.
Oh, thank God. Oh my God, I love this episode so much. I love this episode. I love Clara. Danny broke my heart because, I don't know, I think one of my biggest fears is the person that I'm in love with simply disappears. As you guys know, I don't know if you know, I have a boyfriend and I love him so much. And one of my biggest nightmares is him just disappear for no particular reason. And when I say my boyfriend, I say my mom and my dad and my brother, but oh my God, it's one of my biggest fears. And last episode when Danny died, it's a lot to process when a person dies, so yeah, it's terrible. And oh my God, I love this episode so much. And that scene with old Clara, I wanted to cry more, but yeah, I'm going to cry more when I watch the episode for the second time. And the scene with the crackers, it was the same thing that she did with Matt when he was old too. It was amazing. I loved it so much. So yeah, I see you in season 9, yay, or I probably will make videos for Game of Thrones, maybe, and yeah, I see you when I see you. Oh, and I'm going to do videos like my favorites and my favorites for Doctor Who, maybe Game of Thrones, so yeah, see you then, bye bye.